the ancient grain that has become very popular these days for its unique nutrients in it. It has plenty of protein and lots of vitamins and minerals that we all need. Now, to cook quinoa, first you have to rinse the quinoa thoroughly to remove that bitter flavor, and allow 2 cups of water to 1 cup of quinoa. You can use a nice sturdy saucepan to boil them about 30 minutes, and you will see the quinoa has absorbed all the water content, and you just need to use a fork to flock it up and to make it fluffy. What do you use quinoa for? You can have it in the salad, or you can use it as a base for the spicy curry or veggie stew. And salsa or chutney is very good to go with quinoa as well. Now, a lot of people are starting to mix quinoa and brown rice together for that extra fiber, and it will build your muscle and also give you plenty of nutrients in your diet. So why not give it a go? You can find more information from my Instagram or my Facebook page, Vegetarian Beginners. Or give me some comments below. If you need any questions answered, I'd be quite happy to do that for you. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Miss Grace.